Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of the Hyperlite Mountain Gear backpack. This is the Headwall 55. It's an ultralight backcountry ski pack, and it has inputs into the design by Cody Townsend, so you know it's good. Let's open this guy up. I've been waiting for this thing for, oh gosh, I've had my eye on Hyperlite backpacks for probably the last year and a half. These things are sweet, but they are expensive. Right now they're 20% off on their website, so check them out at hyperlitemountaingear.com. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. Dude, I'm stoked already. This is such a cool backpack. Not only cool, but functional. This is a size medium. Again, this is 55 liters, this backpack. It's ideal for like 1 to 5 days out in the backcountry. Great for snowy conditions. It's made from this Dyneema material, and we'll talk about that here in a second. Perfect for being in the Sierras or the Rockies, like I'm in the Rockies. So let's talk about the specs and dimensions of this backpack. So this is made from a fully woven Dyneema material, so you can hear how it's kind of crunchy. It's, you know, a little bit on the stiffer side, but once these things get broken in, they're awesome. This is a Dyneema stretch material here on this mesh pocket area, which is new for this design. This input from Cody Townsend, I think, was really good. It's got a pocket here for snow tools, but we'll go through the features here in just a second. Now this can carry a load capacity of up to 40 pounds, which is perfect for what I'm doing. I'm going to be taking this on a ski hut trip in about a week and a half. Going to take some camera gear with me, some food, of course, and then everything that goes with backcountry skiing on a hut trip. It's just a quick 2-night trip, so the size of this backpack should be perfect. I'm probably going to ditch my photography backpack and just use this exclusively in all conditions. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll report back to you with a full review on this thing. But let's talk about the Dyneema composite fabrics. So there's been a decade of experience, design experience, that has gone into making these backpacks. So this is an incredibly rugged option for backcountry pursuits. They're awesome bags. The external area here has this pocket, like I mentioned before. It's got an internal organizational pocket, but also this external one for avalanche tools. I don't know if I can give you enough of a look here, but there are the pockets in here, you know, for a probe and shovel, things like that. So let's pull this thing open a little bit. You can see this has a roll top design, which is pretty slick. And if you look at the card on this YouTube video, you'll see how it's all rolled up. Then you've got a clasp here where you just, you know, buckle this down on both sides once you roll it up. So it's expandable. You've got all kinds of room in this backpack to adjust the size of your pack, and that's one thing that was really intriguing to me about this pack. It's super duper lightweight. This thing weighs 2.6 pounds. Can you believe that? So super light and very functional yet. So this material is super durable. Let's check out the back here. Yep, so we've got some nice sternum straps here. We've got over-the-shoulder straps as well, and then of course the hip belt too, with a pocket on each side with zippers on them. This hip belt is removable, so it slides right out of this area here. So that can be removed. You can buy different sizes of these belts as well. But just like a normal backpack, right? Got the belt clip and everything. Now, on the side here, you'll notice that there's some compression straps on the side, but you can also use these straps for carrying skis or a snowboard as well. So you've got some options there all throughout the pack. You've also got this daisy chain loop where you can throw a carabiner in here. You've also got ways that you can carry an ice axe as well. There are some little bungees on here too for assisting with attaching skis or snowboards or poles, things like that. So that's a nice feature as well. The daisy chains are really great. You've got more daisy chains here on the front for attaching carabiners, different things. So yeah, all in all, this pack looks pretty exciting. I am really stoked to see this pack firsthand, and I'm looking forward to getting it out this next week for this hut trip. So I'll report back to you on this bag. I'd like to get some camera gear in it, get it stuffed with a sleeping bag and all the stuff that I'm going to be taking on the trip. I'll take some pictures of that, post it on my website, but I'll also do another full review on this particular backpack as soon as I get time to do that. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on these Dyneema backpacks. And something that you could do that would really help out the channel is hit that subscribe button. I really sincerely appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.